Hello, everyone. So, I want to take the time to introduce you to migrating classic quiz question banks to new quizzes item banks. There is a tool for migrating a classic quiz to new quizzes, but there's not currently a way to migrate the actual question banks from classic quizzes to new quizzes. I believe Canvas is working on that. But in the meantime, if you need to migrate question banks into new quizzes from classic quizzes, you must do these steps in order for that to be accomplished. So we are in your course that you want that contains the classic quiz question bank you wish to migrate. So you're going to click the quizzes. So we're going to go ahead and click quizzes over here. Then you're going to go to add a new quiz. Select classic quizzes. And then you're just going to name the quiz the same name as the question bank you want that you're migrating to the new quizzes. So for this example, let's just do test test quiz for new quizzes. I've done several already as examples, so let's do a more generic name. Okay, so we've done that. You could probably change it to practice just so it doesn't mess up your grade book if you want to play with it. And then you're just going to hit save. You don't have to mess with anything else on here. So now you're on this part. You're going to click on edit. Click on the questions tab. Go to find questions. So in the find questions window, select the question bank that you are migrating. So obviously I'm not a teacher, so I'm not going to have a bunch of stuff, but if you have all your classes, you're just going to click on that. For this example, I'm just going to use some I created earlier. Then you're going to find the question window you want. So you can go to select all, or you can click on whichever ones you want. I'm just going to do select all. Scroll to the bottom, add questions. All right, then you just need to hit save and you don't have to publish it yet. Okay, so that's part one. So that is saved. So then in the same course that you've just done all this, you're going to scroll down to settings in your course navigation menu. You're going to go over to navigation. This is if you don't have item banks. So this is where you can find whether or not you have it enabled. I already have it enabled, so I don't need to do anything to it. If I didn't have it enabled, it would be down here. You click the three dots, put enabled. It will scroll to the top here, and then you're going to hit save. Okay, but I don't have it, so we'll just hit that anyways. Okay, so if you already have that, then you're just going to go over here to export type. So then you're going to go to export course content. I've already exported a bunch, so that will show what I've done previously when I was testing this. So then you're going to go to export type. You're going to click quizzes. This will pop up. You're going to find the name of the quiz you just named in part one, and deselect all the other ones. I think it was this one. So the quiz item bank transfer. And then you're going to hit create export. I'm running out of room here. So it's going to show here that it is going. Now it says it's been exported. Okay. Wait for the export to complete. When it's done, you'll click on this new export right here. And that's when it changes it to a QTI/zip file. And you want to just leave it like that. So it will save into your downloads. So you don't even have to do anything with it as long as you remember where it is. Okay. So now we're going to go over here to our item banks. Click that. Then you're going to click on the bank button. You're going to, you can enter the bank name that you want. And we're just going to put test quiz part 2, something like that. That works. So you see it right here. And then you see all the other ones I've done today. And then you're going to locate that test bank you just put in there, which was this one. You're going to click on it. Then at the top right where you see the vertical 3 dots, you're going to click that. You're going to click import content. You're going to browse to find your downloads. So here's my downloads. One of them is going to be, let's see if we can find it. It's 242. Okay, so it's that one. So like I said, it's a zip file. You don't do anything else to it. It will show your quiz export. You're going to do that. Insert it. Click import. Wait for it to go. It will say done. And then you'll see that the questions have been transferred to the quiz item bank transfer. So that is how you migrate the classic quiz questions over to classic quiz question bank to a new quizzes item bank. So there you have it.